But be warned, if you drop just one single piece, you will dance forever!
He'll torture him to death like that. What a bastard!
Point A is right here, and point B is pretty far away.
Aha! You're getting good at this, aren't you? Well, then I'm going to give you a different, better challenge now.
Challenge, huh? Man, I really want to complete this task.
You're going to have to dance! Now come on! Get going! Dance!
Tinga, 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 tinga. Man, it's getting much harder to walk like that.
Get it going! Step it up! Come on! Come on! Come on! Yeah.